Meaning of dioptrics.
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 Dioptrics. Dioptrics is the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of light as it passes through different media and interacts with surfaces. Through the use of mathematical calculations and experimental observations, dioptrics seeks to understand how light is refracted, reflected, and dispersed by lenses and other optical devices. This understanding has practical applications in fields such as optics, ophthalmology, and astronomy, where precise control over light is crucial. Overall, dioptrics plays an essential role in advancing our knowledge of the fundamental nature of light and enabling the development of new technologies that rely on its properties.